Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. I have two lots today, two boxes, and this will be PayPal's friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour receipt of email confirmation, and you're gonna email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested in the lots. The comments below will be turned off, so please email me. Once again, I have two lots today. Two lots in this video, two boxes, two flat rate boxes. So let's get started. So up first is box number one. It's a medium flat rate box, and this is 35 shipped. And I'm gonna bring the whole box into the camera, I believe. So inside here, I have some reptile glue and some Barely Art precision glue. Most of the reptile glue I think is completely full, and the Barely Art is, looks like it has 3/4. In there, I have an embellishment little box, and you get this box too. Cute little, not embellishments, but some little blings. I hope I'm in camera. I have some butterflies and some cute little deer. And then some super small, it's the deer, pink ribbon. It's pretty balls. Got some unicorns over here, and then this drop down little thing, and more butterflies, and some clasps, and some little rings to add your things to your projects, and then some little puffy balls there. So get that. And then I have this entire bag of like ribbon flowers that you can dangle from your projects. Super pretty. All different colors, and they're gold. The little dangle thing is gold. And then some of them have pearls on them. You can see there in the bag. Just a whole bag full of them. And then I have some Ranger Matte Medium, multi-medium matte. Two little jars of that. And then I have this jar of bronze fragments. These little mica fragments. And then I have some washi tape. There's some of it there. There. And there. I hope you guys can see this. Here. Or washi tape. There's little Cinderellas. I think that's from Dollar Tree. Or different kind of tape here. This is not really washi, but it's really nice to put on your projects. And then this washi here. Then I have some stickles, this red and pink. And then this another like peachy pink, and then this silver. I have a free one from scrapbook.com, Bear Pops. Should have opened this prior to. Sorry about that. And it's the, looks like the, maybe gold. Not sure. I have some Bo Bunny glitter paste. I have some Martha Stewart kind of chunky glitter, several colors there. Silver, super pretty. These jars are gold, green, orangey, blue, and then some red, black, and light green. I think I showed that red. And then I have some noodle drops, orange, blue, yellow. And these are used, but you get more than half a bottle. I didn't use them very much. And the colors here. And then those colors there. So this entire box, box number 1, and it's $35 shipped. Let's get everything in there I can. All right, box number 2 is $30 shipped, and this is a large flat rate box, and this one is $30 shipped. So it's a box full of ribbon and some trim. We have some pom-pom balls, purple, red. We have some felt ribbon. This is from, I think, AliExpress. And then here's the burlap trim. And some really pretty ribbon there. Some ribbon that I put on these cardboard pieces. Really pretty. And then we have this ribbon here. This cording. Here. I do have a couple of Dollar Tree rolls in here. And it's here, this really pretty blingy one. And this burlap roll. And this here. I had to get my ribbon down to 1 container, and I just had too much. And this here, I think this is a Dollar Tree one. I can't get it back the way it was. That there, and then this here, and this, I think that's a Dollar Tree one. Okay, so this is a box full of ribbon and some trim, and I'll get that neatly in the box. And so this one is box number 2, $30. And once again, this is PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years or older. Please pay within an hour. Receipt of email confirmation at fphandmade@gmail.com. Thank you.